Luto na ang aming biryani, guys. May mga orders kami today. Kung gusto niyong mag-order sa aming chicken dum biryani, guys, message lang kayo sa aming Facebook page na Sana Family Vlogs, or pwede din sa Sana All Indian Cuisine na aming Facebook page. Doon kayo makaka-order, tapos makakausap niyo kami ni Daddy Ram. Marami na kaming mga orders dito lang, guys, sa mga kapitbahay namin. So, mostly yung mga deliveries namin dito lang sa subdivision. Ayan, oh, sulit na sulit ang inyong 150 pesos. May chicken dum biryani na kayo nagawa.
With raita?
Ni Daddy Ram. With raita. Morning. We're just going to deliver biryani. Then we will be back.
Okay.
Okay, brush your teeth. Get ready. Look. So sleepy. Bye.
Bye.
See you.
Yeah.
Love you.
Thank you too.
Guys, the roles have been reversed for a while. Madam is driving. I am looking for a place to deliver now.
Where is it?
That little go.
I think straight.
Straight only, on the street only.
Yeah.
So how is it?
Good. It's so hot.
Yeah, today is very hot. Okay. Our first delivery done while Madam driving.
Keep emphasizing.
No, I'm okay. Earlier, a little hesitant to sit next to you, but yeah, I'm feeling comfortable right now. Because of the traffic, maybe not much traffic here, right?
Yeah.
And we are on the way to City Mall to get some groceries.
Nasa loob na si Daddy Ram, guys. Hinihintay ko siya dito. Konti lang naman yung kanyang bibilhin. So, maghihintay na lang ako dito sa parking. Simula nung nakuha ko yung aking driving license, guys, nakakapag-drive na tayo kahit papano. Pero, dito lang sa malapit kasi hindi pa ako masyadong komportable na mag-drive gamit ang sasakyan na ito. Kasi nga, iba yung sasakyan namin sa India. Mas malaki ito. Yun sa amin maliit. Done?
What's happening? Yes.
Super fast. No one is there, right? Still early. Yung mall.
Yeah.
Empty pa siya. Pag ano.
That's why I like here.
Maaga pa. Okay?
Let's go.
Good morning, Maui Wawi.
Good morning.
What happened to Kuya Ryan? Kuya Ryan already
Pushing us,
ready,
both of us, to
took shower, and dressed up. Now, laying down again.
Wajib. Sleep, sleep. Sleep.
Cute ka ito. You wanna eat egg, Ryan? What happened? Do you wanna eat egg? Tita Joy is asking.
Okay.
Sorry, side up. Another delivery for today, guys. Dito lang sa Mahiga Station, malapit sa amin. And we have a delivery boy with us. His name is Maui Wawi. Gustong laging sumama. On our way to Lola Yaya, Lolo Bear House. Tingnan nyo.
Traffic.
Na-traffic kami dito. Parang may natumbang poste. So we're stuck here for a while. Until doon. Pero dito main road na. Finally, nakalabas din kami. See? Long traffic also here.
Very long.
Yeah. Nandito na kami kina mama, guys, and hinihintay namin si mama at papa. May kukunin kami today. Hindi alam na mister na ibubulaga natin siya. Itagalog natin para hindi niya masyadong maintindihan kasi nandito siya sa harap ko. Ang alam niya, may pupuntahan lang kami kasama sila mama at papa. Tingnan natin ang kanyang magiging reaction.
Ayan,
Bless, bless.
Center. Lover there.
Sarap, papa.
Very way.
Sit properly. Sit properly na yan. Ha?
Delivery here? Just
We're just going to check something.
checking.
Look around. Akala niya mag-check lang ng motor. Ayan si Papa. Oh. Wow. Looks nice. Ito yun, guys. How is it, Ryan? Wala siyang idea. Kukunin namin yan today. Test ride, you want? Test ride?
I think it's not for this drive.
Di pa din niya alam. Ready to go, Daddy? Yeah. Bring him home. Blackie, our motorcycle Blackie name. Hi, Ryan. You go with Lola and Lolo.
Two passenger.
2 passenger only. See you at home, okay?
You all hide it until last minute. Surprise, surprise.
First ride. Let's pump petrol first. How is it? You like it?
Like it.
Unleaded. How much are these?
200? 200.
Moto vloggers. Moto vloggers board.
Amazing, motor vlogs.
How is it?
It's good.
We're here, guys, sa bahay. So, do not expect.
Next. That is delivery something. Then we just last time also went to see bikes. I thought we are going to see the bikes. You and your mummy all planned well.
Black, your favorite color.
Come on, you want to go and go around road?
Huh? Okay.
Nice, huh?
You like it, Bryle? This is gonna be Bryle's bike also.
I will borrow this one, huh?
I know.
Go na lang yan.
Go with Daddy.
Not by yet.
Can charge from there.
You can put
Same as our Activa.
Yeah. Only one open seat. Put in the seat and press this one.
Tinatry ni Papa. Yeah, nice.
See, wearing black also. Jacket.
Yeah, black. It's so light.
This bike and our Indian bike, you know, that one in one side is heavy. Because the
Oh.
engine is one side, but the engine is center.
Oh.
Like these bikes. So the balance is
Uwi na kami guys sa Davao. Using the bike lang. Si Ryan, mamaya siya uuwi kasama sila ate. Kasi may delivery pa kami guys. So kailangan bumalik na agad. Let's go home! Diba? Lusot-lusot lang kami guys. Huyo ang traffic sa amin. Okay lang. Makakalusot kami. Na kami guys, medyo late ang ating delivery today, pero okay lang kasi dito lang naman sa malapit. At least may motor na tayo. Mas madali mag-deliver. Ang daming pahabol na orders guys dito sa aming village or subdivision. Kaya minsan pag may nagpe-pre-order, nagluluto kami ng extra ni Daddy Ram kasi may bigla na lang mag-message may available pa bang biryani, kaya lagi kaming handa. Dito naman tayo mag-ikot-ikot sa aming community. Where, Daddy? This side?
This side is the block from here.
Okay.
The block to what? That one?
And we're home. Done with the deliveries.
Yeah, see, our delivery is scheduled. If it by car, we wouldn't have made it.
Yeah.
Bad name with them, and they waited for waiting for our food, all those things, in time.
Yes.
But thank you.
Happy?
Of course.
Did not expect?
I didn't expect. We just only checking only. I thought I've discussed and decided, right?
But very helpful, baby. Very helpful.
Very helpful. Like Ryan, we want to drop Ryan school easier. The car can use others. Nearby places can go. Of course, we won't go that far on bike, but at least in our subdivision you want to deliver easy. Otherwise, walking is difficult that far, but car is like not necessary. But
kasi last time, di ba guys, nag-check kami kung okay ba na bumili kami ng motor, magiging worth it ba siya, is it gonna be really helpful sa amin. So napagdesisyonan ko na wag na muna sabihin sa kanya, pero alam ko na gustong-gusto niya talaga na magka-motor na, kasi yun nga, sa pag-deliver ng mga chicken biryani namin, tapos mag-start na sila yan ng school on Monday. So, though malapit lang naman yung skolahan nila yan, mahirap din lakarin. And everyday, pupunta magkasasakyan, malapit lang. So, at least, motor, komportable, pwedeng ako, pwedeng si Daddy Ram ang maghatid sa kanya. So, ayun. Saya ni Daddy Ram. Alam ko na magiging worth it siya, and it's gonna be a big change for us, right, Daddy?
yeah,
Accessibility. Mamaya, he wants to go to Bangkerhan kasi may bibili na naman siya. So,
you can save on fuel, one thing.
save in fuel also.
See, with the car, always have bike together.
Kasi sa India nga daw, may sasakyan kami, meron ding motor. Para pag medyo malapit-lapit lang, magmo-motor lang kami. Hindi na kailangan sasakyan pa. Ang cute ng aming helmet. It's so nice, right, Daddy?
Yeah, put mark, you know.
Twinning
Use your
kami.
helmet.
Ha! Seriously? Same size lang naman yan. And we love the color red and black. And that's really the available color. Even yung bike, black, full black.
Cars and everything is red and black only colors. Like bike, red.
Sa bike, sa motorbike, sa car namin, usually black or red dun sa India. Shout out pala guys kay Ma'am Cheche and kay Joy Alcantara. Salamat sa pagtulong sa amin. And they are here. Tinatabi namin ang bike. Laro nga bro. Hoy, tama na. Ayaw nagsaka bro. Laro nga park bro. 5 bad words.
Sorry. The vlog there. Anak.
Oh, yes. Okay. Straight lang.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, Maui. He called you, right, Daddy?
Come and give me the car. Come on, car. Come.
Car.
Come on, give me.
Daddy Ram nyo guys na ayaw paawat. Nagpunta talaga kami dito sa bangkerohan kasi may bibilhin siya. Oh. Tapos na pala. Oh. Ayun na. Nakabike lang kami. Hinihintay ko siya dito. Last time naghihintay ako, nakasakyan kami. Ngayon nakabike na lang. Mas madali. Walang traffic. Bumili pa ng itlog. Bitbitin ko yan ngayon. Okay. Ito talaga ang pinunta niya sa bangkerohan guys. Kasi very seldom lang siya na maging available.
Available and keeping it long also difficult this one.
If tomorrow morning daw, pangit na siya. Lanta na. So talagang pinunta niya ng gabi.
Wash it, little dry it and seal it, put it in the fridge. At least 2 weeks.
How many days it will last? 2 weeks? Seriously?
If you do it properly, everything. If you freeze it, it's long time.
Okay. How about chutney?
It's only for biryani. Biryani.
Masarap kasi pag chutney yan guys.
Mint problem solved. Now is coriander.
We need to plant coriander now.
We have planted, but not really.
Still not growing really.
I don't know what's wrong.
Na-drain ang aking energy guys, kakabiyahe. Galing dun sa amin. Tapos, dumating kami dito, di ba? Nag-deliver. Tapos, kumain ng dinner, rest for a while. Then, dumating sila. After that, yun, nagpunta na kami ng bangkerohan. Hindi na ako masyadong sanay na umupo ng ilang oras sa motor. Kaya, masakit ang aking puwet. Pero okay lang, masanay tayo ulit. Talagang very accessible guys. Walang traffic talaga. Hihinto ko lang pag, of course, signal, stoplight, ganun. Pero overall, mas okay talaga na mag-roam around the city pag nakamotor. Pero of course, dapat pa rin tayong maging careful. Kasi alam nyo na, maraming aksidente. Yun ang sabi ko kay Daddy Ram. Kahit na nung nasa India kami, mga short distances lang magmamotor. Pero pag medyo malayo na, ipapunta kina mama, dapat sasakyan na yun. Pero of course, kailangan nating dalhin ang motor galing doon napunta dito sa city, diba? Mga 30-40 minutes travel. So, yun lang yung sinasabi ko sa kanya. Pag pupunta ng malayo, magsasakyan. kung available ang sasakyan at hindi gagamitin nila ate at tsaka nila mama. Pero dito sa city, okay lang na magmotor tayo. Kasi nga, di ba? Mas ano talaga, mas less hassle. And makakapunta ka talaga sa kung saan kung gusto. Sa tamang oras. Walang masyadong traffic. Ganun. What a productive day, guys. But very busy and tired. I'm so sleepy now.
Did so many things. Oh,
Yeah.
it's busy, back to back. The moment come, the one was super duper traffic. If we stuck there only 2 hours because we have a delivery here. We really in time we reached, and after that one more order came. Then back to back we delivered.
Yeah. So happy, Daddy?
Yes, of course. I was thinking how to drop Ryan to the school. Near only, I mean, if the car not available, you have to walk from here to there. It's near, but it's difficult. It's really heavy.
Our boy will be sweaty.
Yeah.
That to slope going up, right?
Yeah.
Carrying wood.
But going down, I'm good since
Yeah, but going up is difficult.
That too, I'll have all my books
Are you excited? This Monday, you'll start going to school.
this Monday.
So you everything planned, huh? You and your
Yeah.
mom.
What a timing, really. Everything fall in place. We got our license,
Yeah.
both of us, Philippine driving
That's something we didn't
license.
expect was so easy.
Yeah. God's grace, God's plan. Okay, say bye to guys. Bye, guys.
Bye guys, like, share, subscribe, like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye, see you bukas. Peace.
Other